Are people passionate about your niche? Viral memes, part 2. In this video, we will explore niches and what makes for a good niche and what makes for a bad niche, and ones to avoid. When I was investing in homes, I was once told by my real estate agent that it didn't matter what I liked in a home. The important thing about building and flipping spec homes was what other people liked and what would sell. Nearly the same thing goes for a niche to base your Facebook page on. It really doesn't matter what you like or what you may even be passionate about. If there aren't a lot of people in that niche and people that are passionate about the topic, you will almost never get viral posts out of it. The topic you choose already has to have that level of appeal where when people see a good meme, they will automatically want to share it. People have to have that feeling as if they're setting the world right or really informing people of something they should know before they will want to share that post on Facebook. They have to feel excited about it and want to tell other people. Just because you may really like bananas and eat them every single day, that doesn't mean people are passionate about bananas. Making a Facebook page about such a dull topic would be a waste of time because very few people are passionate about bananas. And remember, when you share something on Facebook, all of your friends will see it, and this is a reflection on who you are as a person. Some people don't care and post offensive memes quite often, but most people do, and they want to share things that relate to them as a person. So think about that when you pick a topic to build your page on. One of the best ways to see how passionate people are about a particular subject is to look up other Facebook pages in a niche you're thinking about. How big, as in how many likes do they have, are the pages in that niche? If you find a page with a few tens of thousands of likes, how are people interacting with their posts? How many views do their videos have? If you don't see a reasonable amount of interaction on a page and other pages in that niche, it may not be worth your time. If you run across a page with 1 million likes, but their videos are only getting 10,000 views, there may not be passion in that niche. If a page with 1 million likes doesn't have videos getting in the hundreds of thousands of views, it's probably a good idea to look at another niche. Passion breeds interaction. If there is little passion, you won't get the reach you need to have viral posts and videos. Find a niche where people are rabidly passionate and see how fast your best posts get interactions. In the next video, we will explore finding a niche that has big, broad appeal. Passion is a good thing for your page, but you also have to have the numbers to push your post into viral territory. Until next time.